Alright, here we install a brand new 2-ton Goodman system with a fixed piston. So we finalizing the refrigerant charge. We go to the charging chart on a 65-degree day, and our indoor wet bulb temperature is 59 degrees, which gives us a 14-degree superheat. So we take our suction line temperature, which is currently 49 degrees, and we subtract it from our saturated temperature, which is 34 degrees, which gives us a 15-degree superheat. And we also have a plus or minus 2 degrees, which is pretty good for the charge on today.